Um, Good day, Nigerians. I am McNally Chinonso, participants of MMM. Today, I want to intimate you on the ideology of MMM. This is just a presentation video of what MMM is all about. As you can see, the first page on this slide, is the meaning of MMM. The meaning of MMM. So MMM stands for Mavrodi Mondial Movement. MMM is a global and social financial mutual aid community and donation exchange, which was founded by Sergei Mavrodi in the year 1989. Mavrodi was a Russian who experts in mathematics and programming. And so in MMM, members are rewarded with Mavro after they donate help to each or to other members of the community. And 30% per month is not an interest rate, but an expected growth rate of Mavro. Growth rate of Mavro and this amount can be adjusted at any moment for the benefit of the community. MMM is a self-adjusting community. The algorithm of matching senders and receivers and the algorithm of Mavro reward constantly gets adjusted and improved. So the main factor in the MMM community is its members' behavior. For the system to last longer, the participants must be loyal. The aim of MMM is not to make people rich, but to change their mindset, to encourage people to share what they have with others. Members should not treat MMM as a money-making scheme. And the major purpose why MMM came is to destroy the unjust financial system of this world. So let's go to the next page, which is MMM ideology. The main ideology of MMM is to fight the unfair and this corrupt financial system of this world, where the rich get richer and the poor becomes poorer. Then if you read through, you see some other things. The second point is MMM is not a bank, nor is it a business, nor is it an investment. Participants only get rewarded for their donations. MMM is a peer-to-peer donation community. That is, there is no central account in MMM. Members donate directly to each other. In MMM, we fight greediness. MMM advises and warns its participants to use only their spare money. So in MMM, use only your spare money. So let's go to the next page, how MMM works. MMM is a social and financial mutual aid community where honest and loyal participants assist and donate their spare money to themselves directly. That is, a person who needs help will be linked up with a person who willingly specifies that he wants to make a donation, and the rewards of all donation will be credited in Mavros in one's personal office. The second point, to get started, what you need to do is just to log into the website nigerias-mmm.net, and after being successfully registered, then you can log into your personal office and update your account information. Then you can now click provide help and specify how much you want to donate. Let's go to the next slide. After sending the money, you need to upload the proof of payment, and the person you paid the money to will confirm you, and at the end of 30 days you can as well request to get help in which another participant will be linked to make payments directly to you. So the rules of MMM. Now the first rule is no multiple accounts. In MMM you don't have multiple accounts. The second rule, do not change your bank details or account details less than 15 days before getting help. So if you do that, you will be put on moratorium. Then the third one is, do not delay any confirmation of payment order, Make sure you upload your proof of payment before the time is over, and do not fail to confirm payment. Do away with fake proof of payment, because if you upload fake proof of payment and you are caught, your account will be blocked. Do not share your account details with another participant to avoid the risk of being hacked. You must write a letter of happiness after getting help. Then use only your spare money. It's part of the rules. Then benefits of MMM. At the end of 30 days, your Marlboro increases. You see it, benefits of MMM. You'll be given 30% of anything you donate at the end of 30 days. That is 1% per day. Coming to registration bonus, as you can see it here, $20 will be given to you if you donate $50 to $499. Then if you donate $500 to $2,999, you'll be given $50 as registration bonus for first timers. The referral bonus, you get 10% of the donations made by all the participants you referred with your link. Then coming to Uganda's bonus, you can see it all here. That all here. Then bonus on testimonial videos. In addition, you can record a video about getting help and get a bonus of 10% or 1% of the amount received, or 5% depending on the quality of the video. Then let's go to the next slide. Do not forget to join NMM today in order to gain your financial freedom from this unfair and unjust system of this world. I hope that with these few slides I've opened your eyes on what MMM is, how it works, the benefits and the rules. So if you've not joined MMM, now is the best time to join it. Thank you.